I'm Billy Sterling Lewis, the manager of the Alcohol and Drug Abuse Prevention Program in the Division of Health and Social Services. And I'm just here to give you some safety tips for Carnival 2016. This year we're saying to our people, bring your PAN. PAN is just your preventative actions now. We have heard the messages many times before, but this year we want to be very careful and cautious and do what you already know. In Carnival, there are many exciting events like parties, and many times persons become involved in drinking alcohol, even to excessive amounts. And so this year we want you to know your limit. Knowing your limit simply means knowing when your body has changed from your alcohol use. Are you feeling a little bit more dizzy? Are you feeling a little bit more loose or lively? That may mean that it's time to stop. It's okay to stop drinking at some point, but if you overdo it, you can put yourself at great risks for accidents and other negative events. Also, we want to encourage you and remind you that underage alcohol use is illegal. It is not only illegal, but it is also important to understand that young persons are still developing mentally, emotionally, and psychologically, and alcohol and other drugs can intercept and interrupt such development. Do not give young children alcoholic beverages, even if they claim to be able to handle it. Again, it's against the law. But we also want to remind you that there's something called date rape drugs that are very popular in these times. These drugs are colorless, odorless, and tasteless. And so if you are not physically seeing the person put that thing in your drink, you will not be aware that your drink has been drugged. If you are in a party or another event and you must leave your drink, do not leave it unattended. If you cannot take it with you, have somebody watch it. But also know your company. Maybe you're the target, so if you must, either discard the drink. We want to also remind you that marijuana, cocaine, and other such drugs are illegal. But more importantly than that, they negatively affect the body mentally, emotionally, and psychologically. And so avoid such drugs. Please, if you must drink, do not drive. Have a designated driver. And remember, a designated driver is not one who has had less to drink, but someone who has not had anything alcoholic to drink. We need our drivers to be sober. And finally, I want to remind us that drugs and alcohol affect us by causing aggressive behavior and violence if left untempered. It may also cause road accidents, and many times it could lead to negative events. So please, this year, be safe, bring your PAN, bring your preventative actions now, and have a safe Carnival 2016. Thank you.